Greetings from the National Support Team of ISEC India for Talent Management. And today we are going to explain to you how to track TMP TLP in less than 5 minutes. We highly recommend that you watch the full video. It's a really important issue. And don't worry if you know nothing about tracking TMP TLP. I'll explain everything. But let's start with knowing why should we use myisec.net for TMP TLP tracking. The answer to this is quite simple actually. Tracking on system is the fastest and the simplest way to track the quantity and quality of TMP TLP along with team goals, team updates and other things without having to maintain hectic trackers and doing tedious work. Now we're going to tell you how to create teams in such a way that tracking becomes easy and standardized without much effort. In the team title section, while creating a team, use the code for your LC followed by the name of the portfolio and then the purpose of the team. For example, LC name _OGIP_raising. Summary. In this section, you need to mention the team purpose and the reason why the team exists. The collective team purposes will lead to the vision of the department or portfolio and thus the LC. Goals. Mention the team goals and targets in this section. This also means that before creating teams, the targets and goals of each team needs to be defined. This can be used as a source to ratify the middle level management. Date. In the date section, mention the duration of the term. As for the content section, first put down the result of the competency test taken by the entire team. You can take this test under the My Competencies section in My Development tab in My Experience. Also, put down the competencies needed for the role. Update the progress of the team every week in the Team Content section. Team files. All files of the team like minutes of the meeting, team wikis, team documents, training material and team conversation etc. can be uploaded all on the team page. How to go about it? Simple. Go to Resources, click on Upload File and select Team in category. Then proceed like a normal file. See? How to create a team wiki? It's simple as well. Go to Resources, click on Create Wiki and select Team under category and then proceed like a normal wiki. How to edit a team? Go to ISEC Programs, move your cursor on Team Leader. Click on Edit Team. Select Scope and search for the team. Now edit accordingly. Initially, when I was creating my team, I thought it'd be tough and very complicated. However, once I started implementing it, it made all my tracking a lot easier. Using myisec.net is really the best way to track team performance and at the same time is the simplest too. If this is done for each team in every entity, your entity page will be complete and that is the best LCHR tracker for you to have. And in this way, your HR tracking can also be aligned to planning. We wish you a great time in tracking your teams. Believe me, you're so going to love it.
Hi ISEC India, this is Raghav Bagai. I'm Vice President Talent Management at ISEC University and I'm also on the NST for ISEC India for TMP TLP, and I would like to share my experience of .NET tracking of my team. So initially when the idea was shared that you track TMP TLP on .NET, I was very skeptical, to be very honest, because we know that .NET hasn't been the best in terms of helping us with our management and tracking and everything, and more or less I generally used .NET for whenever I wanted to put up the stats, but idea came and I just tried doing it just because a few people said that I should do it, and honestly the after doing it a week or so later, I've started seeing how beneficial it has been for my team and for myself, because now it's clear, like our team has a vision and it's there on our team page, and we see it every time we log into our team page, and I clearly assign them goals on a team content, which is tracked weekly, and we become so much more efficient. All the files that we use, all the wikis that we create, we make it for the team, and the team generally use it together, and it has definitely helped me, and I'm sure this is the way ahead. Speaking it on, like, even though I'm a TM commission member, I can tell you, we don't need to have so many trackers, the Google Forms, all those jazzy trackers. It's not needed. One simple tracker in the form of .NET is the way forward. This is me signing off. Cheers.
होगा ना फिर ये कभी।